What's up guys? Today in this video we bring top 5 best shoulder bags for women in 2020. Through extensive research we've put together a list of options based on their reviews and ratings, best quality, and best-selling product on Amazon. For more information on the products we've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. So like the video and share your ideas in comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. On the number 5 is Shangri-La Shoulder Bag for women. Inspiration of this shoulder bag comes from the pursuit of practicality and aesthetics. All materials are carefully selected for longer service life. It is well stitching, roomy enough and practical for your daily stuffs. The shoulder bag has multi-pockets. In internal side, the main compartment with magnetic closure, easy to hold up to 14-inch laptop, iPad, umbrella wallet, towel, cosmetic, clothes and other daily stuffs. Moreover, one padded Velcro closure sleeve, 2 zippered pockets and 1 pouch. In external side of bag, there is a front pocket and it can fit keys and cards which is easy to get. Also there is a back pocket and that can fit mobile phones which is safe and also easy to get. This shoulder bag is made of high-quality cotton canvas fabric with strong and durable exquisite workmanship. High-quality hardware is adopted. The PU leather is made of polyurethane, which is more durable and wear-resistant. It is used for multi-purpose. It can be used as shoulder bag, purse, tote bag, handbag and backpack. Adjustable shoulder straps that are made of leather and cotton. This shoulder bag is perfect for dating, work, school, day trips, camping, shopping, etc. in various occasions. Check more detail of this bag in the comments section. On the number 4 is Cheruty Shoulder Bag for women. With this bag, keep your things organized without sacrificing your refined sense of style. With the high-quality material, this shoulder bag is made of high-quality water-resistant soft PU leather, which is easy to clean and long-lasting. The design of this bag is double back zipper. This shoulder bag contain a double zipper anti-theft design. The back zipper accesses to the main compartments ensure your belongings safely. And the double zipper design is convenient to open in 2 directions. There are 3 different carry ways for various occasions. You can simply use it as a casual backpack, stylish top handle bag or a special shoulder bag. Soft durable PU leather, with waterproof and anti-theft function. Simple leather backpacks, cute and feminine type of medium-size shoulder bag. The most fashionable bag for any occasion no matter what the season. It has 1 main zipper compartment with 1 interior zipper pocket and 2 interior slot pockets, 2 side pockets and 1 front zipper pockets. Multi-pockets could fit your 9.7 iPad Pro, tablet or a laptop 10 inches and under, cell phone, umbrella, water bottle, house keys and other tiny items. Convenient and comfortable to wear in 3 ways, tote, shoulder and backpack, goes well with your clothes. The women's backpack great for work, life, travel, college. Wonderful gift for ladies and young girls on Valentine's Day. For more detail check the link in the description box. On the number 3 is VOLGANIK Rock Shoulder Bag for women. You need a do-it-all shoulder bag in your life and here it is. It's made with water-resistant leather to keep it lightweight and long-lasting and adorned with a couple of outside zip pockets for extra convenience. Versatile, functional and durable, this nylon crossbody bag provides protection, peace of mind, security and organization, which is a primo pick for travel and everyday errands. This shoulder bag is durable and soft. It's washed PU leather, it's vegan not from animals, good hand feeling and polyester lining. This shoulder bag has multi-pockets. 5 outside zip pocket, 1 inside zip pocket and 2 side slot. Easy adjustable shoulder strap. The shoulder strap can be adjusted from 30-59 inches to meet your different needs. This shoulder bag is best gift for Thanksgiving Day, Mother's Day, Christmas gift, to thank for mom's selfless love. Love her, giving her the best one, using the gift wrapping service by Amazon, giving her a romantic and impressive gift. With nice design and great quality, it will be most outstanding gift among your friends. Everyday and travel shoulder bag, fashionable style, it can be used as a handbag, shoulder bag or crossbody bag. With a variety of storage options and organization features, ideal for travel, errands, shopping, and diaper bag for parents on the go. With the retro style, it's elegant, practical, classic and never out of style. Smooth zipper closure that is easy to open and close. For more detail, check the link in the description. On the number 2 is UTO Shoulder Bag for women. UTO focuses on high-quality products, professionalism, and importantly satisfaction. With UTO Shoulder Bag, no one will need to painstaking search for the agents of beauty and glamour. A great amount of detail was focused on the interior, thus UTO handbags provide easy access for the modern woman. This UTO backpack is made of soft PU leather. Waterproof, anti-freeze and anti-scratch. Soft synthetic washed leather with heavy-duty zipper hardware. 1 top handle, 1 shoulder strap and 2 adjustable back straps. Double zipper design is convenient for opening in 2 directions. Detailed double streamlined stitching. Full lined coffee color fabric lining. Tassel pendant design has already highlighted the backpack. 1 main large zipper compartment contains 2 internal zip pockets and 3 open pockets. Exterior, 2 front zipper pockets, 2 side open pockets and 1 back hidden private zipper pocket. Comfortably holds a 13.3 MacBook Pro, tablet or a laptop 14 inches and under. Exterior pockets can hold your A4 magazines, smartphone, cosmetic, hairband, umbrella, glasses case, water bottle, house keys and other tiny items. It is anti-freeze durable material makes the bag be in good shape even in cold weather. Main zipper compartment contains 2 zipper pockets and 3 slip pockets. It has 2 front zipper pockets for tiny easy access items, 2 side elastic pockets fit water bottle and 1 back hidden private pocket fits 6.5 phone. Moreover, high quality zipper hardware, removable single shoulder strap, reinforced double stitching and adjustable shoulder back straps. For more detail, check the link in the description box. On the number 1 is PINCNEL Shoulder Bag for women. With stylish and chic design, goes well with any occasions, you will feel comfortable to carry it. We especially recommend it to you for its elegant style, practicability, and good quality. Back zipper design has an anti-theft function that protects yours belongs safely. Double zipper design makes the backpack has a sense of design and is easy for you to open or close. This shoulder bag has multi-pockets, 1 main pocket, 1 mobile phone pocket, 1 document pocket, 1 internal backside zipper pocket, 2 exterior front zipper pocket and 2 exterior side pocket. Nylon material has a waterproof function that will be not worried on a rainy day. The fuzzy ball is pendant added fashionable feeling to this bag. As a shoulder bag with a demountable shoulder strap, as a backpack with 2 adjustable shoulder straps and perfect for working, shopping, going school, one-day traveling. Keeping the backpack strong and sturdy with the high-quality hardware. Double zipper design is convenient for opening in 2 directions. Detailed double streamlined stitching, full lined coffee color fabric lining. Tassel pendant design has already highlighted the backpack. Roomy enough hold your A4 books, iPad, cell phone, wallet, umbrella, glasses case, cosmetic. For more detail, check the link in the description box. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.